Okay guys, this is basically for those mining SweatCoin who have issues converting their SweatCoin to sending it to their Sweat wallets. So this is mostly caused by one of the settings which seems to be not be on every Android, or not directly as they said in the settings. Now just go to update setting. Like you can see, mine now is settings confirmed only 2 of 3. So I'm going to confirm the third one right now. So you go to settings and then you see lock SweatCoin as recent. So that's one of the last setting that is remaining. So basically what we just have to do is lock SweatCoin as recent. So we have to go to our dashboard and search for security. Once you see security, then you click on the top right, the settings, click on it. Then you see boost speed. So click on boost speed, then then click on lock apps. Now search for SweatCoin. Let me search for SweatCoin. Where would that be? SweatCoin. Yeah, that's SweatCoin there. SweatCoin. So all you just need to do is activate the SweatCoin. Yeah. So with that, the with this now, the last setting should have been completed. So let's go back to SweatCoin and see what we have. Okay, so we have logged it. So let's close SweatCoin and open again. Asking us if we have updated these settings. So we say yes, and then that does it. So with this all set, your SweatCoin should be able to convert easily to your Sweat token or your Sweat wallet. Thank you very much, guys.